Hello students, this is your next video on the chapter multiplication and division. In this video, I am going to explain you the word problems. I have solved till question number 6, but one of the student has commented that he has not understood question number 6. So I am going to explain that question once again. So in question number 6, there was a boy named Rahul. वो डेली बेसिस पे कितना अर्न कर रहा था? ₹125 on daily basis. This was the daily earning of Rahul. Now अब वो डेली जब काम करेगा एक दिन तो उनको 125 रुपीज मिलेगा. So what is the total earning of Rahul in a year? एक साल में कितना कमाते हैं? Earning of Rahul in a year. We have to find out that. Earning of Rahul in a year. Now students, we all know that 1 year is equals to how many days? 365 days. एक साल में मैंने आपसे पहले भी बताया है, when it is not mentioned that which year is this, अगर स्पेशली लिखा हो कि that year is a leap year तो आपके 366 days होंगे. But if it is not mentioned that it is a leap year, then there will be 365 days and we will consider it as an ordinary year. So as mentioned in the question, there were 24 holidays in that year. How many holidays were there? There were 24 holidays in that year. मतलब उस साल में जितना वर्क उन्होंने डेली बेसिस पे किया उसमें से 24 दिन उन्होंने छुट्टी ली. On 24 days there was holiday. So how many days are left? Working days निकालने. We have to find out the number of working days. So the number of working days are 341 days. How many days are working days? 341 days. Okay students, now what we have to do, how much amount Rahul has earned in 341 days. In one day he earns ₹125. So in 341 days the total amount earned by Rahul in 341 days. 341 days में राहुल ने कितना अर्न किया? What was his daily earning? The daily earning is ₹125. Now we have to find out how much he earns in 341 days. एक दिन का दिया है, ज्यादा दिनों का यानी कि 341 days का पूछा है. So once we will multiply, we have to find out the more value. So once we will multiply, the answer will be ₹42,625. That means Rahul has earned ₹42,625 in a year. एक साल में उन्होंने इतना कमाया है हॉलीडेज को एक्सक्लूड करने के बाद. So this was a query from one of the student. Now I am going to explain you question number 7. So please pay attention. Question number 7 says that if 18 shirts cost ₹4,230, find the cost of one shirt. 18 shirts, price of 18 shirts. Price of 18 shirts is ₹4,230. यानी कि 18 shirts आपको इतने रुपीस में मिल गया. Now in the question it is asked for the price of one shirt. Price of one shirt. So price of one shirt means the value of more is given to you. You have to find out the less value. To find out the less value, you have to divide. Now when I will be dividing it, what will be the answer, students? 18 2s are 36. Now here it will be 63. Now 18 3s are 54. Here it will be 9 and 0 will be dropped down. 18 5s are 90. Now what is the question? The price of one shirt is ₹235. This is your answer. Right students? Now I will be explaining you question number 8. And please make sure that every question which I am solving on this board is supposed to be done in your classwork copy. So don't ask from your class teachers again and again, ma'am ये classwork है या homework है, sir ये classwork है या homework doing in the video is classwork. Now I will be solving question number 8. A company has 35 employees and the company paid rupees 1,98,520 as bonus to all employees. Find out the bonus paid to each employee. तो कितने एम्प्लॉय है कंपनी में? टोटल नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज in the company. Total how many employees are there? 35 employees. Now कितना बोनस कंपनी ने टोटल पे किया है सभी एम्प्लॉयज को? ये पूरा 35 का मिला के है. टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ बोनस पेड बाय द कंपनी. Okay students. So what is the total amount of bonus paid by the company? It is 1,98,520. 1,98,520. Now we have to find out the bonus paid to each employee. Amount of bonus paid to each employee. Each means every employee. वहाँ के हर एम्प्लॉय को यानी एक एम्प्लॉय को कितना बोनस मिला था? टोटल एम्प्लॉयज वेयर 35. आपको 35 का मिला के जितना बोनस है वो दिया हुआ है. आपसे कम का पूछा है यानी ईच माने एक एम्प्लॉय का पूछा है. सो टू फाइंड आउट द लेस वैल्यू व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू डिवाइड रुपीज 1,98,520 बाय 35. Now once you will divide, what will be the answer? I am going to perform the divide in front of you. So please pay attention students. Firstly I will rub it. I hope you all have noted down this information, whatever I have written on the board. Please sit with your classwork copies and pen so that you write everything at the same time and do not waste your time in doing rough and fair. सारा काम आप direct fair कर सकते हैं. So I am performing the divide 198,520. Okay students. Now 35 5s are 175. What is the remainder? The remainder is 235. 35 6s are 210. Here it will be 2. Again 2 will be dropped down. Now 252 या उससे कम. 35 7s are 245. 35 7s are 245. Okay students, here it will be 0 and here it will be 0 and the 0 will be dropped down. Now 35 के टेबल में 70 कब आता है? 35 2s are 70. So rupees 5,672 is the amount paid to every employee. हर एक एम्प्लॉय को इतना अमाउंट दिया गया है in the form of bonus. Now I am going to rub this divide. I hope you all have note down this. Okay students. Now question number 9. Question number 9 says that 46 sacks of rice cost rupees 2,68,962 and 74 sacks of jaggery cost rupees 2,11,566. Find out the price of 1 sack of rice and 1 sack of jaggery. आपसे 46 sacks of rice का प्राइस बताया है और 1 sack का पूछा है. 74 sacks of jaggery का बता के आपसे 1 sack of jaggery का पूछा गया है. Which is costlier, the rice or jaggery? By how much? How much means we have to subtract. दोनों में से कौन सा महंगा है ज़्यादा? So the first thing which we have to do is, first statement will be price of 14 sacks. Sorry, price of 46. Total 46 sacks है ना? Price of 46 sacks of rice. कितना price है 46 sacks का? It is 2,68,962. Now price of 1 sack. पहले आप rice का 1 sack निकालेंगे, then you will find out the 1 sack of jaggery. 1 sack of rice. So for that what we have to do? The price of 46 sacks is given to you. You have to find out for 1 sack. Means आपकी value decrease हो रही है. D से decrease, D से divide. So you have to divide it. So 46, 2, 6, 8, 9, 6, 2. I am going to divide it in front of you. So 46 5s are 230. Now 9 will be dropped down. 389 here से कम. 46 8s are 46 8s will be 6 8 are 48, 6 2 24. So here will be 368. Now I am going to subtract it for you. 6 will be dropped down. Now we have got 216. क्या मिला है हमको 216. Now 46 4s are 184. So 2 3. Now 1 carry 1 2 will be dropped down. 322 is the remainder. 46 के टेबल में 322 या उससे कम कुछ आता है? Yes. 46 7s are 322. Now we have got 0 as the remainder. So the price of one sack यानी चावल की जो एक sack है उसका प्राइस है ₹5,847. Now come to jaggery. Jaggery means what? Jaggery को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? गुड़ बोलते हैं. Okay students. Now I am going to find out for jaggery. आपका राइस का तो पता चल गया. Now we will proceed for jaggery. So how many sacks were given? 74. Price of 74 sacks of jaggery. कितने sacks हैं? 74. And what is the price? The price is 2,11,566. 2,11,566. The price of one sack. Price of one sack of jaggery. For 1 the value is decreased from 74 to 1. D से decrease, D से divide. आपको क्या करना होगा? You have to perform division in order to find out the price of one sack. Okay students. Now 74 2s are 148. Now what is the remainder over here? Here it will be 3. Here it will be 6. Here it will be 0. 5 drop down. अब 635 है उससे कम क्या आता है? 74 8s are. Here it will be 8 for 42. 8 and the 56. So 592. Now I am going to subtract it for you. The answer will be 5 minus 2 3 and here it will be 4. Here it will be 0. 6 will be dropped down. Now we have 436. अब 436 या उससे कम जो आता है वो है 74 5s are 5 4 20 5 4 35 36 37. So 376 and here it will be 6. Here it will be 0. Then last 6 will be dropped down because we have to play with every digit. So 74 9s are 666. We have got 0 as the remainder. The price of one sack of jaggery is ₹2,859. And what was the price of one sack of rice? It was 5,847. तो आप अमाउंट से ही पता लगा सकते हैं कि राइस ज़्यादा महंगा है जैगरी के कंपैरिजन में. अब कितना महंगा है? फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट प्राइस ऑफ वन सैक ऑफ राइस. राइस का क्या प्राइस है? 5,847. नाउ प्राइस ऑफ वन सैक ऑफ jaggery. The one sack of jaggery costs ₹2,859. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract it. Okay students. Now 7 minus 9 is not possible. So we have to take carry. So here it will be 8. This will become 3. This will become 7. This will become 13. And here it will be 8. This will become 4. This will become 17. Here it will be 9. Here it will be 2. So the price of one sack of rice is greater than the price of jaggery by ₹2,988. And this was the last question of this exercise. The word problems are finished now. So students, I hope you all of you have understood and you have to do these questions in your classwork copy. and there will be no homework for today. Thank you students. If you understood it, please like the video.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.